The trail hasn't started getting very steep yet.
This is where it starts getting steep. Trail of Sleeping Rainbows. Here we go, Andy.
It's getting a little steep, but we'll be slow and careful.
All right. Look at them. They're incredible.
Here you can see in this specimen the center core of the tree and then the outer part of it. I haven't seen this like this before, but it's just beautiful how it's distinguishing one piece from the other. This is really incredible. You have the petrified wood, but if you look closely, you have little pockets of quartz crystals that formed throughout it. We're going to give you a closer look.